Hello everyone, good morning, good morning. So welcome again to my new vlog. So we are here walking with me and my husband and our baby. So look the view in the back of my camera. It's so beautiful here. This is Amasa Maritima town. I am on the prison here, charot, jokes. I am in the prison as you can see in front of my camera. So look the view of the top. This is in Tuscany. So look the beautiful view, Masa Maritima, Toscana. My husband there. Actually, possible to go on the top in the tower. I'm gonna show you, but we need to pay like €4 to just go enter because more beautiful if you are on the top in the tower. So yeah, nice view. Oh. A tower. The name of the tower is Tower Candeliere. Possible to walk over there. And beautiful view. In Italiano is Villa Panorama. You can also walk from here in the garden. From there in the garden. There. And this is elevator. Good, this one. It's working if we're doing an elevator. See, so big this tower. Yeah, this is the view. There you go. You can also sit down if you get tired. You can sit down here on the tables. And there's also like a chair. Good view. I think it's good view. Let me check. Look the chair here. If you wanted to rest, look the view. You can sit down over here in this chair. Look the view over there. See? Let's go enter here to see our beautiful view. So this is the house. Yeah, I am in the prison. See? Nice view.
Maybe possible to park it. More near.
See, much more here.
Vai Leo.
Oi. Oi.
Oh.
Oi.
Where did you see you need to pay there?
See this one, the back beside. There's a Liscali there.
To go up. Elevator doesn't work.
Doesn't work the elevator. Yeah.
Oh. This one is an old car, very ugly.
Andiamo a casa?
Say dai, so we can eat early.
Yeah.
Where can I put the things we have in Casa Tierra? I need to transfer the wood there.
Yeah, we can do put that one.
Terra?
Tierra o porca. Papa armadio. Não tem problema.
Maybe this one they give la multa.